Welcome to the data statistics. Today we have to learn draw Ogive curves from the following data. Given the data in the classic intervals and the frequency. Now to find out the Ogive curves, first of all you have to calculate less than cumulative frequencies and more than cumulative frequencies for the following data. So that is, consider the class intervals as the marks. So they are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and last 50 to 60. Next, the students number of students as frequencies, number of students as a frequency. So that is 10, 20, 30, 50, 40, 30. Calculate less than cumulative frequency. We can easily know as less than cumulative frequency, that is LCF. Less than cumulative frequency, that is first number you have to take as it is. You have to add this 20 to this 10, so that will become 30. 30 plus 30 is 60. 60 plus 50, 110. 110 plus 40, 150. 150 plus 30, 180. So here our capital N will also be the 180. This is the less than cumulative frequency calculation. Okay. Now you have to calculate more than cumulative frequency. So that is very simple and easy. So consider this 180 value over here. Now do subtract the number of students from here. So 180 minus 10, that is 170. 170 minus 20, 150. 150 minus 30, 120. 120 minus 50, that is 70. 70 minus 40, that is 30. So here you should get both values are equal. Now consider a 2D graph and put all these values in the graph. So that is, by considering 2D graph, consider a graph like this. So by class intervals on x-axis and the frequency less than and more than frequency values on this y-axis. Take appropriate scale. The x-axis is 1 centimeter equals to 10 units and y-axis is equals to 1 centimeter equals to 20 units. So now plot the points of this less than cumulative frequency, the class intervals, and you have to consider. Okay, so class interval 0 to 10, less than cumulative frequency value is 10. If you suppose that value over here. Next, 10 to 20, you have the value as 30. So 10 to 20, you have the value as 30. Plot the point. Next, 20 to 30, you have the value as 60. Less than cumulative frequency curve. Now I am drawing. So 20 to 30 class interval, I have the less than cumulative frequency as 60. So that is 60 you can put over here. Next, 30 to 40 class interval, you have the 110. So 110 point is over here. Next, 40 to 50, that is 150. 40 to 50 is 150. Next, 60 to 50 to 60, you have the class interval as 180. So that is over here. So just by hand only you can add all these points. The curve should be like this. This is called less than cumulative frequency curve. Next, plot the points of more than cumulative frequency for the class intervals 0 to 10, that is 180. 180 is 0 to 10, 180 value is over here. Next, 10 to 20, you have the class interval value as 170. So that is 170 over here. Next, 20 to 30 class interval, you have the value as 150. So 20 to 30, you have the class interval value as this 150. Next, 30 to 40, you have the class interval value as 120. So 120, 30 to 40, 120, 30 to 40. So much more than this. Next, 40 to 50. 40 to 50, you have the value as 70. So which is over here. 40 to 50, you have the value as over here. Next, 50 to 60, you have the value as 30. 50 to 60, you have the value as 30. So that is 50 to 60, the class interval value as 30. So just add these all points with your hand. This would be like this. This is called less than cumulative frequency curve. This is called more than frequency cumulative frequency curve. The total this graph is called Ogive curves. Ogive curves. Okay. Yes. Thank you.